Alright, here I have a class person, and as you can see, person has a public field name, and it has a public method sayHi. I can call this from anywhere within the program. As you can see on line 7, so within the same class, I'm using the public field name. But I can also call it from outside my class. In order to do that, I need to create a new person object. And then I can address the name and I can set it to something. I can say the name is Maria. And then in here, I can actually trigger the method sayHi, since sayHi is public. So I'm going to run this. And as you will see, it's going to print, "Hi, I'm Maria." Well, hello, I'm Maria. Close enough. Alright, so I can access this from anywhere within the program. And to prove my point, I'm also going to access it from outside the package. So I'm going to create another package. I'll just call this more access modifiers. And in here, I'm going to create another class, call this one app. And it's going to have a main method. And again, I'm going to be creating a new person object. And as you can see, I'll be able to access the name. But something goes wrong. Well, not really. But since I'm outside the package, I need to import this class. So let me import the class. And I'm importing it with import access modifiers.person, because that's where it is. And now I can actually access it. So I'm going to set it here to Bob. There we go. And now if I call it here, you can see that we can still access the sayHi, and this time it's going to print, "Hello, I'm Bob." Alright, so this is the public access modifier. The public access modifier is the most permissive access level. Let's talk about the most restrictive access level next, private.